guys, my name is MJ and welcome to the third update for my 2021 project pan. I have made some really good progress, so I think I am posting this update a little bit earlier than I normally would. Less than a month, I believe. But that is because I have managed to use up 6 items and I've hit a pan on one of the other items. So let's start with the items I have managed to use up. L'Oreal Nude Magique CC Cream Anti-Dullness. There wasn't all that much left. It was an estimate, and to be honest, I think I was wrong because it has taken me the full 4 weeks or so to actually use this product up, but it is now completely gone and empty. This is one of my oldest face products, hence I wanted to use it up. It worked perfectly fine. I'm actually still wearing it today. I still had a few drops left, so I applied it to my face. All of the Project Pan items I will be showing you are actually on my face and nails. The second item I've managed to use up is by Inglot, and that was their powder, and this was HD pressed powder. You can clearly see the pan is completely empty. There wasn't much left in the last update. I really like this powder. It was perfect for everyday use. It wasn't mattifying enough, I would say, for my pre-shiny face. I use a lot of products in the morning, so normally it would be useful for me to have something to mattify my face as I'm doing my makeup, but it was perfectly fine. It was a lovely powder. I introduced it into this product pan pretty much only because I don't like having products with no packaging, with no boxes. I keep forgetting about these kind of products that I have in one big palette, and I have a number of Inglot products that actually are in one Inglot palette. I just don't reach for them because I don't ever remember that they're there. The next item I have used up is by Bare Minerals, and this is their Moxie Live Large Lipstick. It was a mini. It is now completely gone, as you can see. I kind of have some of that lipstick on my lips now, and that is because to apply a lip balm to my lips today I used a brush that I previously used with this lipstick, and it still had a tiny bit of the lipstick on it, hence it all just got mixed up. So I still have a teeny bit of this lipstick on my lips, but yeah, this product is now gone. Now, talking about that lip gloss, this is a lip gloss from this palette. That was the lip gloss. I know it does seem as if there might be some product there, but there really isn't. These are just smudges of color from the brush. So this is another product that I have managed to use up completely. Another lip product. The fifth product that I have used up is a surprise to me. It is an eyeshadow, and it is from this Avon Duo. So I have 2 eyeshadows here. I'm covering the other one because the other one has not been used up and there's some progress that I want to show you on it, but the lighter shade is completely gone now. I did not actually expect that because I used it only literally in the corners of my eyes, so it would take me quite a bit to use up even a small amount, but yeah, it is now completely gone. And the last used up product is by Maybelline. It is from their Duo Master Sculpt. It's the contouring powder. This is a Duo. I count those products separately. So at present, I still have the highlight left. Highlight that is completely shattered, but the bronzing, the contouring powder is completely gone. As you can see, I'm not gonna tilt it too much. I will insert a picture of the highlight because those bits will just fall out. And yes, a really good progress on the highlight as well. I really like it. It's so easy to use. It's quite subtle. I am, as previously mentioned, wearing it on my face now, so I don't even know if you can really see it. I know that some people repress products. I don't. I just can't be bothered. What I do, I actually turn it into a loose highlight instead. So I use the handle of the brush to crush those little bits, and basically they are turned into loose powder, and this way I just apply it to my face, and that's how I will continue using it in the future. So these were the 6 items I have used up, plus I've already shown you the highlighter. Now let's go back to the palette with the used up lip balm, because I've actually had a pan on the eyeshadow that I use for my eyebrows. So this is the product. As you can see, there's quite a bit of a dip there. I don't think that camera is picking this up very well. I use it for my eyebrows religiously. I really like the color. It suits me perfectly. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's a good combination of the blonde in my hair and my natural eyebrow color. So yeah, I will continue using it for my eyebrows. I have also recently started using it to contour my eyelids. I will see if I will continue doing that, but it works perfectly fine for that as well. Again, going back to my eyeshadow duo, it was a duo by Avon. I've used up this light shade and I've made a really good progress on the darker shade, as you can see. It's such a beautiful color. It is my oldest eyeshadow. There's really not that much left, but I am admittedly getting a little bit bored with this eyeshadow, so I will probably now use it a little bit more sporadically than I did in the past month. I would say that maybe I will just use it for like 1/3 of the month. I will see how I feel about it. I'm so used to using this eyeshadow, it's so easy for me to do it. I don't have to think about it, so it's easy to do my everyday makeup with it, and there's not that much left. But I suspect it will be at least 2-3 more months before even this little bit is completely used up. Here's the product that frustrates me because I can't show you the progress, but I can tell that it is nearing the end, I'd say. It is a creamish, liquidish blush by Bourjois in Kokori Coral. I absolutely love it. I still love it. I genuinely enjoy using it just almost every single day of my life, and I'm not getting bored with it. It blends beautifully. It gives this really slight flush of, I would say, peachy pink. I love it. I've checked inside the container with a flashlight. I could not possibly capture that on camera. I did try to show you guys, but I couldn't. So I can tell that I am probably somewhere here in terms of the product, and I use it often. I use it almost every day because I really like it and it goes so well pretty much every single look I do. I suspect that it will be a few months because it is not an easy product to pan. Good progress nevertheless. My MAC eyeliner pencil. I've sharpened it up think twice since the last update, so there's definitely some progress. It's a really steady progress. There's still quite a bit of product left, so I suspect it will be a number of months before this is completely used up. I've just realized that I'm not particularly organized in terms of the order of the products I'm showing you today, because normally I kind of keep those products in categories, face, eyes, etc. But today I'm just like all over the place because I've used up 6 products and I've hit pan on one. Anyway, this is another product that I have made some progress on, but I can't really see very visible results. I don't know that you will be able to see them either. This is by Collection, and this is, well, this was an eyebrow shadow, the one over here, but I kind of use it just to kind of contour my eyes, to create depth in my crease in my eye. I mean, I don't really have a crease. That's basically the product that I use also on pretty much everyday basis. I use it with the other products, with the eyeshadows, and it's just a whole look that I go for pretty much every day. A product I cannot show you progress on, and this is a Bourjois loose eyeshadow. It is in Regard or Scintillant. Anyway, it's a golden eyeshadow, so I have basically put the contents of this container into this cup because I wanted to see how much product I have. But there's actually still some product left inside here, as I don't know if you can see, but this is just not the easiest container to get the product out of. So I keep dipping my brush into this container still, and there's still product coming out. I am now using it a little bit more frequently. I've used it for about a week, to be fair, so that's not very long, but I use it in conjunction with the Avon eyeshadow, and in the past I would use the duo of the eyeshadows together. I would basically use the darker and the lighter shadow to create one eye look, but now I have run out of the lighter one, so I've replaced it with this golden bourgeois one, but I just haven't had a chance to really use it very much yet because I've used up the Avon one only very recently. So I suspect there will be a more stable progress for the next few months, but it's not a product that I will use a lot of, even on an everyday basis, so I suspect this probably will be with me for the rest of the year. I might as well move on to the other lip product, because I now have 4 lip products in this project pan, and 3 out of those 4 I've not really used pretty much at all, and these are the Max Factor Max Effect Lip Gloss in 05 Weekend Spa. This one is an Estee Lauder Lip Gloss Pure Color Gloss, and then there's this Max Factor Lip Gloss in Luscious Amethyst, I think. I've not used any of them because I was concentrating on the Bare Minerals lipstick and the lip balm, which I managed to use up, but I have managed to actually use some of this. This is also by Max Factor. This is Max Effect Lip Gloss in 06 Cloudy Red. I've used this probably about 15 times, if not more, between 15 and 20. So in theory, I should be able to see progress on it, and I should be able to mark it on the tube. This was almost new when I introduced it into this project pan, so I basically just marked it at the very top of the tube because there was literally like no product used up. But this product and the tube, they won't really allow me to see how much product I have left. The product just does not settle. It's basically everywhere, and I suspect there is an air bubble in the middle of it as well, hence it makes this tube look really full. So even though I have made progress and I have no doubt I would have been able to mark it on the tube, I'm just not going to do it because I can't see where I'm at. I mean, it's progress. I'm happy that I've had a chance to use it, and now because I have used up 2 of the main products that I was trying to pan, I will have a chance to use it a little bit more. So hopefully, maybe in the next update I will be able to actually mark it on the tube and see where I'm at. Now, 3 non-makeup products, 2 nail polishes and a perfume. So this is a No Brand base coat. This is a peel-off base. It's not the best quality at all. I'm nearly halfway through it. I enjoy using it with glitter nail polishes. As you can see, I have some glitter top coat because glitter is notoriously difficult to remove with the nail polish remover. With this thingy, I would actually just scrape it off my fingernails. It's not ideal, but honestly it's better than removing the glitter nail polish with nail polish remover, to be honest. You can see that there's not much of a progress. That was the line from before. This is where I'm at now. Progress is progress. Then the second nail polish is by Revlon, and this is in 585 Bohemian. I've made some progress with it, so that's where I was. That's where I'm at now. It's actually on my nails now. There's really not that much left, but I suspect it's probably gonna be still 2 to 3 months before I've used it up, just because I don't actually use it on my nails. I use it only on my toes. Well, not only. When I'm filming an update, I do use it on my nails to kind of show you the color, but other than that, I really don't use it. So I don't use it very much. I would say at this stage, I use it 3 times a month, and that's about it. So clearly there won't be a huge amount of progress in the next update. The next product is by Clarins, and this is they're kind of a perfume thingy. I've made some actually decent progress. I mean, it goes down bit by bit, so you can see that that's where I was in the last update, and that's where I'm at now. So I'm nearly halfway through it. I kind of got used to wearing this on an everyday basis. I don't wear perfume around the house, so I use it when I leave the house for any reason, and I actually leave the house pretty much every single day, hence the progress is there. I'm kind of eager to use it up, but I know that it's gonna be months before this bottle is empty. And the last item that I have is actually something I forgot to include in my last update. There was no update on it, there was no progress whatsoever, so I suppose it's fine, but I just forgot that I actually included it in this product pan. And this is by Elizabeth Arden. This is the Sheer Body Bronzer. It's humongous. It is 70 grams. The weather's been a lot better over the past few days, so I have had a chance to use it, but I have used it only twice, maximum 3 times, so there really isn't any progress to show you guys. And as I said, it's a really, really big product. It's kind of painful to use, to be honest, because this little, well, it's not little, it's actually quite big, sponge, it doesn't really blend the product very well. And this is, I believe it is a body bronzer, is it? Yes, it is. I use it on my body. It just takes quite a bit of time to apply it, that's all. It looks pretty when it's on. It's just that sometimes I'm in a rush, so I really haven't got the time really to play with it. But yeah, I will try to be more consistent with it this month, because that's a lot of product, and summer is not actually particularly long. It's literally 3 months and we are in autumn. So yeah, and this is it in terms of the updates and the products I've used up. So now I will show you the 3 replacements that I am introducing into this product pan. The way I'm doing this product pan is for 2 products used up, I introduce only 1 product. So towards the end of the year, I should have less and less products in this project pan. I know some people replace it 1 for 1. I don't. I tend to feel a little bit overwhelmed with the amount of products I have in my project pan, and I would like to make some use out of my other products because I have loads of makeup and other things as well. So I am basically introducing only 1 product for 2 used up products. Product number 1 is by L'Oreal, and this is the Nude Magique BB cream. So I've used up the CC cream and now I'm replacing it with the BB cream from L'Oreal. This is again pretty much the oldest face product that I have, that's why I want to use it. It is completely full. I've used it maybe once or twice, so I've not marked it. I can mark it somewhere at the very top, but it is completely full. The second product is by Inglot, and this is a contouring powder. And again, similarly to the powder that I have used up, I'm using it because it doesn't come in an individual container, so I will try to use it up because I forget to use it otherwise. I've already used it a few times and I really like the quality of the product. It's very creamy. It's amazing to blend. The shade is a little bit too warm for me, I think, but yeah, I can definitely make it work, and it's a lovely product, lovely quality product. And the last product is to replace my face powder, and this is from a palette by Too Faced. So this is a face palette. I've already used up the contour product, the still bronzer and highlight, and the powder. So I am basically introducing the powder. It's just a pressed powder. I found pressed powders to be the easiest to use on an everyday basis, and that's how I use my project pan items. So I've used this product a few times, but literally a handful, so it's almost a brand new item. It isn't huge, it's what, 5 grams. I suppose it should last a few months. And this is it, guys. So it's been a really good month in terms of using up products and actually making progress on the remaining items as well. I'm really keen to start working on the brand new products that I've just introduced as well. A bit of a change is always welcome if you've been using the same products for, well, 5 months. So I'm pretty excited to have some new products to play with on an everyday basis. I hope that you enjoyed this update. If you did, then please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel for more similar content, and of course to see another update. Of course, this is update number 3, so if you wanted to check out the intro and the 2 previous updates, I do have a playlist. I will try to link it if I remember. Thanks so much for watching, and I do hope to see you very soon. Bye guys.